Set up.
Now you've talked about what it's like being an offensive lineman. I want you to show me what it's like being the defensive guy, how you protect yourself.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So you want me to hit you or?
Well,
Show me.
You probably won't because I'm going to get by you really quick.
Okay.
Watch this. Ready? You be the quarterback. Yell out the
Okay.
plays in the.
Ready. Down. Set up.
Okay. Woo! All right, let's try it again.
Set up.
Remember these colors from last week?
Oh.
Ready? Call it.
Set up.
Okay, now that would work on somebody my size. How would that play in an actual game against a guy that's 300 pounds?
Well, I mean, sometimes they might knock down if you get someone off balance. That might happen. But when you got guys your strength, your size, our job is not to knock them over like that. It's just to keep them away. Those are called pancake blocks, and you don't have some of those, sometimes, and those are great to watch on film. But realistically, they're going to be able to move it on you,
Okay.
and your job is to just keep them
one
away
more
from the
time.
quarterbacks.
Tell me why you like.